Active learning is essential for achieving the learning aims of my course. I teach a course called Public Involvement and Community Development. It would be pretty pointless for me to stand up the front of a room and explain to people why being an effective listener is really important, or ask students to sit still and shut up while I talk about the importance of creating spaces for meaningful and effective dialogue. The best way for students to learn those skills and to learn that importance, as well as all of the associated complexities, is to do it. And so in that course, we role play a whole range of different kinds of engagement techniques that planners and environmental professionals use to engage diverse publics. I'll be demonstrating the most far out kind of engagement technique we practice in this course. It's part of a workshop we run on engaging more than human publics. And it's structured a little bit like a role-playing game. So when you come in and participate in this session, you're going to be given a character to enact as part of that process. In addition to gaining experience facilitating workshops, students report that this particular activity challenges their dominant ways of thinking about who belongs in cities and whose voices we should hear as part of participatory planning processes. It helps shift their perspective and adds a new dimension to thinking about the complexity of involving diverse publics. And because it's an active, embodied, creative, and kind of weird activity, it can be a lot of fun and it's pretty memorable as a result.